Welcome to TSL, your partner in aluminium and glass excellence. My name is Sylvia Chalo, and I'm here to take you through one of our latest projects, Jabavu, located in Kilimani, where we get to showcase to you our premium aluminium and door series. Here at Jabavu, we installed our top-of-the-line sliding doors featuring 4-panel in the lounge and 3-panel in the bedroom, all glazed in a 3mm plus 3mm laminated clear glass with a 0.8mm grey PVB. Our Deluxe Series sliding doors in the bedroom offer a perfect balance of elegance and practicality, allowing you to enjoy natural light and fresh air while maintaining privacy and security. Our curtain wall windows at Jabavu are a testament of our commitment to excellence in design and engineering. To learn more on how TSL can elevate your next project, all you simply need to do is call the number on the screen, or you can visit us at our showroom located in Kilimani, Chaka Road Mall, 3rd floor. TSL, your partner in aluminium and glass excellence.